Hello guys, so here is something that I've got. So this is a late video. I have purchased myself an Insta360 This is a carry case for it. There is a separate quick unbox video which I'll put right away, or maybe in the end of the video or somewhere in this video. But so to put a video like this in the middle, so guys, this is the quick unboxing. Very first thing you see in the box is the Insta360 X4 camera, and then besides that you have another box inside which there are a few paperworks, a silica gel water absorbent which is not required right now, and then you also get the a small case along with a microfiber cloth to rub your lens whenever it's required. And you also get the standard lens guard which comes along with the Insta360 X4, which wasn't the case with your previous Insta360 versions, which is good that now we have a standard lens, and there is also a premium lens guard which you have to purchase separately, but right now you get the. Now let me quickly open this carry case of Insta360 Think Bolt. Alright, so I've bought this for moto vlogging, obviously. So I own a Triumph Scrambler 400X, and this particular thing, why I've bought Insta360 instead of a GoPro or any other action camera is because obviously GoPro is something where you can capture videos only either side of it. Either you can show a POV of you riding a motorcycle and the front view of it, or you riding the motorcycle and your view of riding it. So you cannot really capture both the sides, right? So Insta360 is something with which you can do both the sides. All right, so a quick look on how the Insta360 looks like. Okay, so this is the case that we get by default with the box, with the Insta360 X4. So this is the latest model from Insta360, that is the X4. This is slightly bigger than the Insta360 X3, and there is a lens guard that I have put, which is removable. Okay, so this is the accessory, that a standard lens accessory that you get along with the Insta360 X4. You don't have to purchase it separately, you get it along with the box. So this carry case, I've bought it because you don't get it along with your purchase. What you get along with your purchase is this Insta360 camera. You get this cloth, and then a case is what you get along with it. Let me quickly also show that case. So this is the case that you get along the Insta360 X4 in the box. So why I got this carry case is because you cannot really carry this simply. I thought a carry case would work. So a carry case can fit in this selfie stick kind of thing. This is the lowest variant of it that I've got. So you can just there is this insert hole where you can just fit in this quickly, and this becomes your selfie stick kind of thing, and then I can just stretch it and use it however I want it. So that's the reason I got this. I can mount it in my bike anywhere. So there is this claw which you get for mounting it to your bike, something like this, and you can just attach it and then tighten it. I haven't purchased that, but I'll purchase it soon. And this is the fast charger which charges your battery real quick. The normal USB that you get for charging this is really slow, so I got that one. So guys, I've been doing moto vlogging with this, and this is really fun to use. There is this app which you can download both in Android and iOS, and you have got pretty much everything in that. AI does the work. All right, so um, I, I am just enjoying using this. And why you should go for Insta360 is, you can, like I said, you can capture a POV from any angle. Okay, you can mount this on your helmet, you can capture a 360 video, and then later post processing you can edit it to any angle you literally want to do. So that's one benefit. And then obviously, if you wanted to capture anything from a single lens, you can also do that, either front or back, whichever lens you want to switch, you can do that as well. There is 8K recording available. I do 5K or 4K plus. So there are modes obviously available. I'll talk about that in depth. However, this wasn't a total unboxing, but then just wanted to show that, if you are a moto vlogger or thinking of getting into moto vlogging, this is something that you should go for. Okay, and there are other accessories which I've got along with this, which is which I've mounted it on my helmet, few on my bike. I'll talk about it in detail, guys. Just keep watching my videos and motivate me. Subscribe to my channel, and then you get to see such more contents in future. For now, that's it, ending my video. Thank you, guys.